Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers again. Now in today's set of the day, we are going to discuss a medium level set on arrangement kind of questions. I'll rate it from easy to medium. The optimum time to do this set is around 5.5 to 6 minutes. Okay, let's see what the set is all about. Now it says there are 5 books which are prescribed for first year students at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. These are the Standard Book of Spells, Magical Theory, A Beginner's Guide to Transfiguration, Magical Draft and Potions, and The Dark Forces, A Guide to Self-Protection. Okay. These books were published for the first time in the years, this in some order. So there is no proper order. The authors in some books were, in some order were Spohr, Quentin, Adalbert, Emmerich, and Pathilda Bagshot. Okay. Now there is some information given. Okay, so what we know? We just know that there are some years, which if I write in increasing order are nothing but 1772, 1830, 1855, 1922, and 1929. These are our 5 years, right? Now, with this, what else we have? The other information that we have is about books, and the other information we have is about authors, right? First things first, I'll just read whatever is given to me, and I'll just try to place it. Okay, and then we will see that what all is left. Okay. The first point says, the first point reads as A Beginner's Guide to Transfiguration. Figuration was written more than 100 years after after Weffling wrote his book. More than after 100 years, which means between the book of this A Beginner's Guide to Transfiguration and the book of Weffling, who is the author, there should be a gap of 100 years or more. So if it was published, if let's say the Weffling book was published here, then Transfiguration should be after 1930, which is not possible, right? Which means the only place where Weffling could be placed, authored, is here, right? Now, the Beginner's Guide to Transformation will go either here or here, because both of these years are after 100 years. So ये दो conditions आए, दो places आई मेरे पास for Beginner's Guide of Transformation, right? Okay. Quentin wrote his book 25 years after Magical Theory is written. So 25 years का gap है. This is 25 years gap. Nothing else is 25-year gap, right? Okay. So Quentin wrote his book 25 years after Magical Theory was written. So Magical Theory was here, and then Quentin was here. Bagshot released her book, The Dark Forces, Guide to Self-Protection, on the 150th anniversary of the publish of Standard Book of Spell. So 150 years का gap आ रहा है, and then the book is being published. So 150 का gap कहाँ पे मेरे पास? Only this is the gap of 150. And who released the book? This book was released by Bagshot, and Bagshot released the book here. And the name of book was The Dark Forces Guide to Self-Protection. Now this book, that we were Beginner's Guide to Transfiguration, it could have either been here or here. Therefore, Beginner's Guide will come here, right? Okay. Now, what else is left with us? So these are the 3 authors. These are the 3. Okay. Now, only 2 books are left. So on 150th Standard Book of Spells. So this is Standard Book of Spells. So this book is placed here. Now which book is left? Magical Draft and Potion is the only book left. That will come here. Okay. This book will come here. So this is the only thing left, right? So we are not given anything about these authors, so we will leave this blank. The 2 authors can come here interchangeably. Let's see the question. The first question is, who wrote the book Magical Draft and Potion? It was written by Quentin. This option. How many years after the Magical Theory was A Beginner's Guide produced? So Magical Theory is here, Beginner's Guide is here. The difference is 99 years. Okay. A Switch book was published before Spores. Okay, Switch, which means Switch is here and Spore is here. Okay, who wrote the book A Beginner Guide to Transformation? So Spohr. Which book was published in 1772? This Standard Book of Spells. Okay, Standard Book of Spells. So as I mentioned, a pretty straightforward set. You just have to fill the information, do a bit of permutation combination, and yes, you were there. Okay, I hope you guys got the idea. If you like the expression, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.